Hello and welcome to this drawing tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to add dimensions to your drawing views. To start, open the drawing attached to this tutorial or continue with the drawing you created in the previous activity. First, navigate to the Dimensions section and select the Dimension command. The first dimension you will place will be on section BB. Click the leftmost vertical line on the view to start the dimension. Next, move your cursor to the bottom of the center mark on the lower hole. When you see the green square, click it to create a dimension to the end of the center mark. Pull the cursor down to see the preview of a horizontal dimension. Pull the preview just below the part and click to place the dimension. Notice how, after placing the dimension, you are still in the Dimension command. Now start placing a new dimension by selecting the bottom horizontal line in section view BB. Now you will move your cursor to the left side of the center mark and select the green square when it appears. This time, pull the cursor to the left to see a preview of a vertical dimension. Move the cursor just outside the part and click to place the dimension. With the Dimension command still active, move the cursor to the vertical line created by the top centerline pattern in the base view. Click on the line to start the dimension and move the cursor to the left to select the angled line on the left hole of the centerline pattern. If you have made the selection correctly, you will see an angled dimension between the two lines. Move the cursor up to pull the preview away from the part and click to place the dimension. Now select the arc that was created by the center mark pattern. Pull the cursor up and to the right to see the preview of a radius dimension and click to place the dimension. The last dimension you will place in this command is a diameter dimension. Click the bottom large hole on the base view. Pull the cursor away and notice that instead of a diameter dimension, you still see a radius. This is because you have selected an arc and not a circle, so Fusion 360 assumes you want a radius. Since you would like to place a diameter dimension instead, while you still have a preview of the dimension, right-click and in the context menu select Diameter. The preview will change to show you a diameter. Now click to the right of the view to place the dimension. Now that you are done with dimensioning with this command, right-click and select OK. Next, select the Ordinate Dimension command in the Dimension section of the ribbon. In the projected view, select the bottom horizontal line to create the origin of the ordinate dimensions. Pull the preview to the right of the part and click to place the origin dimension. To start placing other ordinate dimensions, simply click Geometry to create new dimensions. Click the horizontal line under the holes to create a new dimension. To align the new dimension to the origin, move your cursor to hover over the line to the left of the first dimension you placed. A green box will appear. Pull your cursor up and a dashed green line will now connect your new dimension to the origin. Pull the cursor up to be just below the line you are dimensioning and click to place the dimension. Repeat this process to define the holes and the top of the part in this view. Now you know how to create dimensions in your drawing views. Thanks for watching.